Hello. Hello, everybody. My name is Gregory Scott, and today I'm going to show you how to be strong. This video is the first. It's the first video in a series. This series is for beginners. It's for beginners. That means you're new. You're new, like a baby. A baby in English. In this series, we're going to talk. We're going to talk, and I'm going to show you different exercises. Exercises like push-ups. Exercise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a push-up. How to do a push-up. Are you ready? Let's begin. Okay, so first, if you're standing, we need to be on the ground. On the ground. This is the ground. Now I'm on the ground. Next, we place our hands on the ground. We place our hands on the ground. Now, my hands are on the ground and I'm in push-up position. This position is push-up position. Next, in push-up position, I'm going to lower. I'm going to lower. Push-up position, lower. I'm lowering my body to the ground. Push-up position, I'm lowering my body to the ground. When you lower, go all the way down. All the way down. Not halfway. Not halfway, but all the way down. When you lower and you're at the bottom, you push your body up. You push your body up. We lower to the bottom and then we push our body up. That's a push-up. We're pushing our body up. Can you do push-ups? How many push-ups can you do? Comment on this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about pull-ups. Pull-ups. Are you ready? Are you excited? I hope so. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like it, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.